Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are going to see about how to hide our subscribers count in our YouTube channel. Because many of us are new YouTubers who really wants to hide our YouTube subscribers count to make subscribers to think that it's a good channel, because with minimum number of subscribers they might have a chance to think like it's not a good YouTube channel. So I'm going to your channel in my YouTube page. See, I have even only one subscriber in that. Going to YouTube Studio. Sorry, my internet is very slow. It's loading. Now in my YouTube Studio, I'm going to settings. In settings, I'm going to channel tab. In that, I am selecting advanced settings. In there, we could find like display the number of people subscribed to my channel. We have to uncheck that and click save. That's it. Our settings is saved now. I'm now checking it. See guys, it's now hidden. That's it. If you feel this video is useful for you, please like the video and share the video. Thank you.